Oh, you go. Bucklat, what say? One more. We there, man. Well active, you know. Yeah, man. Shooting a plane and a black girl and we are listen video same. A bit only for device we have. And we in our road, said way. You know, we live in our road. Yeah, man. Good God. Yeah, man, I just there I met Jamaica way forward. You know, we want to pay recognition to certain resilient country. Like blood clot, Ukraine, and pussy clot, Cuba. Yeah. Them people there, we see right now was some real fight up on earth. No jokes. Yeah, man. I do not tell us, I do not pray from what there. So I just read up on the bag of chatting, you see me? We want to start make some deliverables. We want to reach out. We want to make 2 links on the ground and get certain things. We want to get call in line, active, and we want action. We want to get things done. Things we want to get done. Yeah. So I just some kind of message right now. We want, you see me? I want to get the channel active where we can have Jamaicans a call in and air out them issues. And see how we can bring solution towards people problem. You know? We don't say we can't take on the world issues, but we can start in a few little corner and then venture outwards. You know? Build from the foundation and make the thing limitless. Yeah. So many for part on our drone, man. We need some of them drone there. We need 2 of them drone there. On the ground for go on. Circle up the place and survey the place real. But there, man, there. We're there, man, I made say. Man, going a good leader, you know. But we need, who is that person with the fire in their belly? Who is that Paul Bogo? Who is that warrior? And that we need right now. We need a warrior. A warrior to bring the flame, to bring the fight. Yes, I have to push back on the ground. Go and deal with it. Ja. Who is that person? Who is that person? Who up on the ground? We need somebody who can bring that flame, brother, bring that heat that we need. Spark. The spark, the change that we need. We need to burn the flames and burn the car. Too much are going on in our country right now. Too much are going on, man. We need to out them, man. We need, too much are going on in our place, bro. Nothing happen. No, man. We can't so comfortable and so relax. Yeah. It's just a mere. It's just. I guess when they're out looking in, they can see what go on. So I guess the people them not really see what they go on. Because you have to just think about your survival for later to how the country design. You have to think about your next meal. You have to think about your head back kind of place. Just under no order. No accountability in a place. It's just wild west. I tell you.